Hey guys, everyone liking 2 here, and today we'll be doing Fire Alarm System Test 9. I'm here with...
ARA Productions, Michael Doverton.
And let's get started. Okay, so a lot of changes, man. This is my flash on here. We got the panel, like usual. I did some changes on it a little bit. I put some ferrite beads on the LCD wires here, and also on the where the NACs go, the relays. So yeah, that prevents from any EMI discharge and all that. I have a diode there as well on the horn circuit, so that way it doesn't glitch. Because once I try the mechanical horn on my system, somehow the panel glitched out, which is weird. But that diode kind of fixed it, so they fixed. All right, so we have a 4251-21 Simplex pull I got from Colorado. We have a Simplex new on the system. We have a Simplex 2098 9201 smoke detector, which I also got from Colorado. So yeah, flash up, you can see more. So yeah. We have the Simplex 4903 9101 strobe plate with the 9838 horn. You can see right there, which is going to be doing March time by the panel. And the strobe is hooked up to the strobe circuit, so it's also going to be flashing when it's silenced. We have a Siemens UMCS SW and my System Tester 5601P heat detector. By the front door, we have the Simplex 499-9006 nut seater, which I also changed the bat box on it, and my 494-911 and my 494-9135 remote strobe. We have a Simplex 498 9636 with a 9211 base. So you kind of get the sense here. Basically, all we have is Simplex devices except in the restroom. So yeah. So let's pull the 4251-21. Silence that.
Hey, EYL, I don't want to interrupt your video, but I'd like to tell the viewers I just find a knack on a panel.
Oh no. That sucks.
Yeah, there's a resistor on it and the trouble won't go away.
Oh, that sucks, man. How do you fry it? That's...
I was wiring
Is it the pull station?
I think
Where's the panel?
the other wire on the terminal.
That's bad.
So I don't even know if the 7002 T works anymore now that I think about it. Can I check to see if it does?
Alright, we'll do the 499, that's 9006. So here we go. Silence. And reset. Okay. So now we do detectors. Pulls are done. Now we do detectors. So I'm getting my magnet tester here. Okay. So let's test the 289201. It goes. Silence. There it is, activated. You can see the alarm. So now I'm going to reset. Reset. This one just reset. So now we're going to go do the 9636. It goes. Silence. Okay. And now I'm going to reset from the nutsitter. So yeah. So now we're going to do the heat detector, the 5601P heat detector. So there we go. There it goes. Silence. Okay, I got to focus. Focus. Why is this not focusing? There it goes. So now I'm going to reset. So that's it. So how you guys liked it? It's nice. Think so. All right. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys liked it.